Hello Year 4, welcome to Maths meeting number 18. Before we begin, you'll need something to write with, something to write on, and remember, as the video plays, the pause button will pop up to remind you to pause the video, have a go at the questions on the screen, we'll go through the answers afterwards. Let's begin. Okay, rounding to the nearest 10 first of all. I want you to hear you singing nice and loud. Look to your tens, look to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, round down to the 10 that came before. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, round up to the next 10 on the number line. Today we're rounding 412 to the nearest 10. Off you go. Okay, let's see. Now we're rounding 412. We need to think, what two multiples of 10 does 412 fall between? Well, it falls between 410 and 420. When we're rounding 412 to the nearest 10, we're rounding the tens column, but we're going to need to look at the ones column to help us out. Okay, let's look back at our number line. Halfway between 410 and 420 is 415. So 412 falls just about there on the number line. We can already see which multiple it's closest to. It's closest to 410. 412 rounded to the nearest 10 is 410. Well done if you got that one correct. Okay, Addison's going to add along the number line now, and we've got some negative numbers. So let's actually count back. Let's count back from 10 and see if you can get them. I'll pause just before we get to the missing numbers. I want you to shout out the missing numbers as loud as you can. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Well done if you got all those correct. Okay, let's move on to the next one, shall we? Okay, know what no one knows. We've got 3 calculations there, and there are 3 missing numbers. I need to fill in the missing numbers. Off you go. Okay, let's see, shall we? 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. 3 multiplied by something equals 27. 3 multiplied by 9 equals 27. And what multiplied by 3 equals 36? 12 multiplied by 3 is 36. Well done if you got all 3 of those correct. Okay, Addison wants us to subtract now. Solve this calculation using the most efficient method. 1,300 subtract 281. Okay, off you go now. So what method did you use? Hopefully you went straight to the number line because we've got lots of zeros in that first number. We've got our whole, we've got one of our parts here. We're going to work out the other part to get to 1,300. So 281 plus 9 to get us to our next nice round multiple of 10, 290. Next a nice round multiple of 100, we've got 90. Add 10 to get us to 300. Now we're on 300 and we want to get to 1,300. That's a nice easy jump. Add on 1,000. So where's our answer? Our answer is here above the number line. That's our other part. So 1,300 subtract 281 is 1,019. 1,019. Well done if you got that, particularly if you used our number line. Okay, quick fire. Convert these measurements from millimetres to centimetres. I'll reveal the measurement in millimetres, I'll pause, and then I'll say the answer in centimetres. I want you to shout out as soon as you see the measurement, shout out the answer in centimetres. Off you go. 60 centimetres. 40 centimetres. 2 centimetres. 6 centimetres. 3 centimetres. Okay, now you're going to shout out in centimetres and millimetres. 5 centimetres, 9 millimetres. 2 centimetres, 7 millimetres. 9 centimetres, 4 millimetres. 28 centimetres, 9 millimetres. Well done if you got those. I'm going to pause the video now and write out all these lengths as centimetres. Fact families now. We've got an array. I want you to write out the 2 multiplication and the 2 division calculations you can get from this array. Off you go. Okay, so let's begin. We start with 4 multiplied by 9. 9, 18, 27, 36. Remember, multiplication is commutative, so we can also do 9 multiplied by 4 equals 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Let's look at our division calculations now. We've got our whole there, 36. How many 9s are in 36? We've got one group of 9, 2, 3, 4. We've got our whole there, 36. How many groups of 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done if you got all 4 of those calculations correct. Okay, we're going to solve this subtraction calculation now using the most efficient method. Haven't done this one for a while, so let's see if we can do it. 924 subtract 199 using the most efficient method. Off you go. Okay, let's have a look. 924 subtract 199. Now wait a minute, that 199 looks very close to a nice round 200. In fact, if we added 100 to that, if we added 1 to that, we'd get 924 subtract 200. We've taken away 200 from 924. That's nice and easy. 9 take away 2, 2 take away 0, 4 take away 0. That gives us the answer, 724. But wait, we've taken away too much. We've taken away 1 too much. So we've got to add that 1 back on because we've taken away too much. We need to add 1 back on. So our final answer, 924 subtract 199 is 725. Okay, that's all for now. Bye-bye.